I, along with my retired friends, decided to participate in the first ever Trinidad YouTubers get-together and curried competition. We did not compete in the curried competition, but instead cooked a breadfruit oil dung, stewed chicken neck, and curried goat, which we shared with other YouTube content creators. We were able to meet Mr. Nich of Trinidad Out and About for the first time. Kudos must be given to him for this family day, which came out of a simple discussion that he and Lyndon Batiste, another YouTube content creator, had one day by the side of a river, and voila, we had today's event. This was really a first, as we met the Rockin' Fishing Boyz crew and the Life We Live In crew. Rockin' Fishing Boyz did a fish fry dry, and I have to admit, it was the best fry dry that I have tasted in a very long time. As you can see, this was truly a family day. In this family day was also Tobago Outdoors Bushman, Looney Boys, Trinidad Vibes, and Trinidad Out and About. Curry Doctors was one of the teams in the curried competition, and they went all out, not just in how they prepared the curry duck, but in the overall presentation of their tent and theme. Fat Duck Crew was another of the curried competitors. Unfortunately, some members of their crew had to work on that day. Looney Boys made different types of chow that was delicious. Rockin' Fishing Boys organized games for children in which children could win a prize for the correct answer. Local content creators have really stepped up, with merchandising now being attached to their channel. This was a Trinidad and Tobago family day, so to add more flavor to the day, the Santa Cruz Rhythm section performed. One of the participants in the family day was Hot Wheels, with and in their tent was every imaginable kind of Hot Wheels toys at really good prices. Of course, Trini Out and About had their pepper sauce on sale, and as the name says, look trouble now. In addition to being a family day, this was a corridor competition, so there were prizes for the various winners and hampers given by corporate bodies. Hot Spice was another of the competitors in the curried competition. Although they did not place in the curried competition, they got first prize for their upagar. Like me, he is allergic to shellfish, so I decided I have to talk to Trini out and about and tell him to change his plans from the curry crab and dumpling competition that he was thinking about and choose something that will not have a large amount of people that are allergic. When it comes to layout for food presentation, Food Network stars cannot touch the competitors in a Trinidad curried competition. This is just the plating, with the food still to be added. NRK was the first to finish cooking their curry duck, and it was accompanied by dasheen and yam. Now for the finished meals that were in the curry duck competition. This was a truly enjoyable day. Again, kudos to Trini Out and About for organizing this event.